Jameson here at JDMS Global. Today we're going to talk about business automation. You have worked hard on your business and you find that you just can't fill those orders in time, make those customer service calls, build your website, track your accounting, and many other things that take up so much of your time that it takes away from other important things that you need to focus on. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, or ask any questions. So let's get going. Virtual assistants. If you have a lot of orders, you can, for a very reasonable price, call a virtual assistant and set up your campaign. They will help with customer service. You can have a call center, and they also help with writing and publishing and web design. This is a website called Buffer. You can save time managing your social media all in one place. You can schedule the events. You can schedule when your posts go out. They use Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google+, and all other features. Makes it a lot easier to schedule your events in all social media. Here we have GetResponse. GetResponse helps you automate your email marketing campaigns. You can create autoresponders with GetResponse as well. This is very important for all your email marketing campaigns. Next we have Jetpack. Jetpack is great for your WordPress site. They allow social share buttons for your website, and you can automate analytics for your WordPress blog. Google Analytics. Google Analytics, they analyze your website to find out how many visitors you have, the locations they're in, and the platforms they use, such as iOS or Windows, or what type of cell phone they have. They also track your pages, ranking, traffic, etc. It is very important to have this because you can track different areas to better your sales. LeadPages is great for collecting emails. You can get information from potential customers. You can collect subscribers, and they have different templates that you can use. The templates that LeadPages has are very professional looking, and they have a reasonable price. Aweber. Aweber is a site. It's similar to GetResponse. They are the biggest and best in the business. You create email forms you can use for email marketing. You collect emails, and you can set up autoresponders on those emails. You can set dates of when you want those autoresponders to send. Pardot, or Pardot, however you want to pronounce it. This is a high-end service for a larger company. You can create better campaigns on this website. Also create marketing automation and keep track of customers. To me, in my opinion, this is a one-stop place for most of your automation. Next we have Optin Monster. This is an auto pop-up that you can put on your website. You can get more subscribers to your email list, and you can generate leads and emails. If you don't have any coding experience, you can use WordPress to build your own website. This is similar to Wix. They have many plugins to automate your website. All you do is select which plugin that you want and install it on the website in WordPress. You should check them out. Now, these are just a few automation tools that I have explained. there's a lot more out there that you can use. New technology and artificial intelligence is making it easier to run our businesses. I would love to hear from you on this topic, and remember, there is no such thing as a stupid question. You can join our group at facebook.com/groups/JDMS Global and learn more about home businesses and new technology. We do not charge for our services because we know how hard it is to start a business from the ground up. Hope to see you soon here at JDMS Global. Bye-bye.